everyone, welcome to Pabbly. So in this video we are going to learn how to create a WhatsApp chatbot for your Puppeteer business. So if you're also running a Puppeteer business, then this video is definitely for you. We are going to design this chatbot so that event planners can book shows, watch demos and get pricing information. So in this video, firstly we are going to create a WhatsApp chatbot using Pabbly Chatflow. Now if a user will send a message, an automatic reply will be sent to them. So if you also want to enhance your customer's experience, then let's dive into my screen for creating your own WhatsApp chatbot. Welcome to my screen. So in this video we are going to learn how to create a WhatsApp chatbot for Puppeteer business. So this chatbot is going to help your customers to book a show, let them watch demo videos and get the pricing information. So this chatbot is going to save your time by reducing your manual workload and help you to stay connected with your customers anytime and anywhere. So let's start creating a WhatsApp chatbot, but firstly I am going to show you how exactly a chatbot works. For that, let's dive into my WhatsApp with me. So here you can see I have already opened my WhatsApp and now I am going to send a message to the number which I have already connected to my Pabbly Chatflow account. Here you can see these are the numbers I have connected to my Pabbly Chatflow account and I am going to send message to this number, that is XYZ Puppeteer. So now let's send a message hello here. Here you can see as I am entering the message hello, I am getting an automated welcome message, that is hello, welcome to XYZ Puppeteer, magical puppetry for every occasions. How can I help you today? And here we are getting 3 buttons, that is book a show, watch demo videos and get pricing information. So now let's click on our first button, that is book a show. As I am clicking on book a show, I am getting a message which is asking me to enter the event type. So now let's enter the event type as birthday here. As I have entered the event type, now it is asking me to enter the event date. So now let's enter the event date in this format. Here as I am entering the event date, now it is asking me to enter the event location. So now let's enter the event location here. As I am entering the event location here, I am getting a confirmation message that their team will contact me short. Now let's enroll to our another button, that is watch demo videos. Here as I am selecting watch demo videos, I am getting a message which consists of the link of 2 videos. So now let's enroll to a third button, that is pricing info. Here as I am selecting pricing info, I am getting a message which consists of the pricing information. So here you can see we are having a fully functional chatbot. So you can also create a chatbot like this for your business by using Pabbly Chatflow. For that you just have to type its URL. That is www.pabbly.com/chatflow. Once you will enter the URL, you will get the landing page of Pabbly and here you can see we are getting 2 buttons, that is sign in and sign up free. If you are a new user, you can just click on sign up free. But if you are an existing user, you can click on sign in. But as I have already an account on Pabbly, I will just click on sign in. Once you finish your sign up, you will get this all Pabbly apps page and here you can see these are the apps provided by Pabbly. You can access any of these apps according to you, but for creating a chatbot we just need to access Pabbly Chatflow app. In this Pabbly Chatflow app, here you can see we are getting 2 buttons, that is access now and learn more. For accessing the Pabbly Chatflow, we just have to click on access now. Once you will click on access now, you will get this dashboard page of Pabbly and here you can see this is the number I have connected to my Pabbly Chatflow account. You can also add your WhatsApp number by just clicking on add WhatsApp number, and here on this add WhatsApp number button we are getting 2 options, that is WhatsApp Connect and manual token connect. If you want to integrate your WhatsApp number, you can click on WhatsApp Connect, but if you want to connect with token number, you can just click on manual token connect. Now moving on further, here we are getting the option for create a new folder. If you want to create your own folder, you can click here. Now moving on to the sidebar, here we can see these are the features provided by Pabbly. Now I am going to give you a short overview of these features. So the first feature we are getting is inbox. This is the section where we receive messages from our customer and we send them automated replies. Now the next feature we are getting is contacts. You can manage your contact list here. Now another one we are getting is team queues. You can manage your team access for managing your chatbot. Now next feature we are getting is templates. You can create your own templates from here. Now another feature we are getting is broadcast. If you want to broadcast you any message on a preferred date or time, you can click here. Now the next feature we are getting is flows. So this one is the most important feature for creating the chatbot. So flows are basically the path which our WhatsApp chatbot follows. Now moving on further, here we are getting the AI assistant. So you can create your own AI assistant from here. Now the next feature we are getting is activity log. The work done by you will be shown here. Now moving on further, here we are getting settings. You can manage your settings according to you from here. Now the last one we are getting is get help. If you need any type of help or support, you can click here. If you want to learn more about these features, you can find the video link in the description given below. Now let's start creating our WhatsApp chatbot. For that we just have to access flows. So just click on flows here. Once you will click on flows, you will get this flow builder page and here you can see these are the flows created by me. You can also add or create your own own flow. For that you just have to click on add flow button. Once you will click on add flow button, you will get this flow page, and here you can see we are getting the flow start node. And here on this flow start node, it is asking me to enter the keywords, enter the regex, or to choose the template. So keywords are basically the triggers which a user can enter for the interaction with this chatbot. Now the next one we are getting is regex. So regex are basically the short form for the regular expressions. These are used for the specific user input. But if we want to trigger any message, you can enter regex like this. Now here we are getting the option for choose template. If you want to add template to your message, you can choose templates from here. Now here you can see we are getting the option for entering the, so you can provide a name to your flow here. Here I am providing it the name WhatsApp chatbot for Puppeteer business. You can provide name according to you. Now moving on to the flow start node. If a user sends me a message, I want to send them a welcome message. For that I will just drag and drop, and here you can see we are getting many options such as text plus button, media, list, single product message, multi-product message, and templates. Now for entering a message, we just have to click on text plus button. Once you will click on text plus button, you will get this message node, and here you can enter the message you want to send to your customers. So now let's enter a message here. Here you can see I have entered a welcome message for my customer, and I have entered this XYZ Puppeteer name between these asterisk signs to make it bold. Now I am going to create some buttons. For that I will just click on add button, and here I am going to enter the text of my first button. So now let's create our first button here. So here you can see I have created my first button. You can create more buttons like this. So just click on add button and enter the text of your more buttons. Here you can see I have created two more buttons, that is watch demo videos and pricing info. Now if a user selects book a show button, I want to ask them about their details for making booking. So for that you just have to go to actions, and here you can see we are getting the option for ask question. So just click here. Once you will click on ask question, you will get this question node, and here you can enter the message or the question you want to ask from your customer. Now let's connect this book a show button with this question node, and here you can enter the message you want to ask from your customer. Here you can see I have entered a question asking for the event type. Now moving on further, here it is asking me to select contact custom fields. So here you can see these are the contact custom fields created by me. You can also create your own contact custom fields. For that you just have to go to settings, and here you can see we are getting the option for contact custom fields. So just click here and create your own fields. Now I am going to select contact custom field as event type here, and the format I am going to select is any. Now if the user answers this question, I want to ask them another question. For asking a question, you just have to click on ask question node. Here you can see I have entered a question asking for the event date. Now I am going to select contact custom field as date here, and the format I am going to select is date. Once you will select the format as date, here it will ask you to enter the number. This is the number of attempts you want to provide to your customer. Now if the user answers about the event date, I want to ask them another question. So just click here and create another question. Here you can see I have entered another question asking for the event location. Now I am going to select contact custom field as city here, and the format I am going to select is any. Now if the user answers even this question, I want to provide them a confirmation message. For that I have already told you that for entering a message you just have to drag and drop, and here you have to select text plus button. Now I am going to enter a confirmation or thank you message for my customer. Here you can see I have entered this confirmation message. So now let's enhance our watch demo videos button. For that I am going to provide video links in the form of message. So just drag and drop, and here select text plus button. Now I am going to provide some video links in this message note. Here you can see in this message node I have provided the name of the video and its link in this message node. Now let's enhance our pricing information button. For that I am going to provide pricing information in the message node. So just drag and drop and select text plus button here. Now I am going to enter the pricing information here in this message node. Here you can see in this message node I have provided the pricing. So here you can see we have successfully created a flow for our chatbot. You can also create a flow like this for your business. Now for saving this flow, you just have to click on save button. Once you will click on save, you will get this pop-up that is flow updated successfully, means you have successfully saved your flow. Now for showing you how we are receiving messages from our customer and how our automated replies are successfully sent or delivered to them, let me take you towards my inbox. For that you just have to click on inbox, and here you can see these are the numbers I have connected to my account, and on this particular number you can see I am successfully receiving message from my customer and our automated replies are successfully sent or delivered to them. And one point is to be noticed that it is following the path which we have created through our flow, means if a user sends a message, I will send them a welcome message. Now if a user selects book a show, I am going to ask them some details. So here you can see we have successfully created a chatbot for our Puppeteer business. You can also create a chatbot like this for your business by using Pabbly Chatflow. So stay tuned to our YouTube channel for learning more about Pabbly and creating more chatbots like this. Thank you for watching this video. So you can create many more chatbots like this by using Pabbly Chatflow. Now if you have any doubt, you can mail us at support@pabbly.com, and if you have any queries, you can write it on forums.pabbly.com. But if you have any pricing related issue, then you can visit the URL given over here. So start using Pabbly Chatflow for free now.